There are countless car accessories that can be added to make driving more comfortable or convenient. From car interior cleaner to car charger, these items can enhance the driving experience in a variety of ways. Which car accessory is the best for you? Here are some of our favorites below to find out. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cleaning gel for car. This one is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards and other hard-to-reach spaces. It's easy to use. Just push car cleaning gel into any little cracks, press car vent cleaner on and the dust would be carried away. It smells sweet with lightly fragrance. Again, the car cleaning kit can easily pick up dust. This auto car detailing cleaning gel can be used for multiple times until the gel turns to black. Please put the gel into the sealed box after use and store it in a cool, dry place. You can use this automotive dust cleaning gel for car vents, dashboard vents, gear shifts, knobs, door handles, air vents, CD slots, cup holders, keyholes, but also the home and office, PC computer keyboard, printer, cell phone, calculator, TV remote and furniture. Number 2. Drop Stop Car Seat Gap Filler. It provides 100% gap coverage in front of, surrounding and behind seatbelt catch. It attaches to the seatbelt catch via built-in slot, moves with the seat and no need to readjust or reinstall. It blocks that annoying yet ever so dangerous gap between your car or truck seat and center console. As the manufacturer describes, this car seat gap filler will never fall apart and lasts a lifetime. Each package comes with 2 drop stops, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side, universal fit. You also get 2 bonus gifts, a slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. One size fits most vehicles. Number 3. Keep Smile Interior Car Lights. Car LED lights has 16 million colors, or custom the colors and adjust the brightness through the Smart App's color palette, and they let you easily create your own car atmosphere. These LED lights for car has 28 dynamic modes for you to choose, or customize the parameters of LED strip lights. The lights of LED car light will change in sync with the rhythm of the song or music. There are 3 types: control, 44-key RF remote control, with its own battery, 4-button control box with built-in sensitive microphone, and Bluetooth smart app. 2-line design. 1 main line separated into 2 branch lines. 3 installation methods: strong glue, screws, hook and loop tape. Number 4. Humix Car Phone Holder Mount. This car phone holder mount has passed 1,000 plus suction tests, reaching military-grade effects. The car cell phone mount adopts a 2-level locking mechanism and 3-layer nano gel sucker, which is 3 times stronger than ordinary suction power. The car mount's suction cup can withstand temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit, to 95 degrees Celsius, 203 degrees Fahrenheit, and work well in extreme weather. The Humix team selects aviation material PEFT and components lab tested to ensure sturdiness. The ball joint and arm of this mobile phone car mount are 10x sturdier than normal ones. It is adjustable 270 degrees telescopic arm, 360 degrees rotation ball joint for optimal viewing angle. During driving, you can adjust this car cell phone holder according to your front passenger seat to avoid obstructing the sight and ensure driving stability and safety. This car phone holder is suitable for all cars like sedan, pickup trucks, SUV, taxis and more. Number 5. Drive Auto Car Trunk Organizer. Car organization is now easy to come by with the Drive Auto Car Trunk Organizer. It can be resized to fit large or small vehicle spaces and conveniently folds away when not in use. This car storage organizer features the tie-down strap system to keep belongings in place while on the road. Just fasten to the back seat or anchor points in the trunk. The storage trunk has multiple compartments to hold groceries, tools, cables, work materials, and other items. If you're looking for car organizers and storage space that stay upright for the ride, this truck bed organizer comes reinforced with a waterproof lining and stiff base plates in every panel. Number 6. iNope Smallest 4.8A USB Fast Car Charger. It is lightweight and highly portable, so you can take it everywhere. AINOPE car charger can reach maximum output of 2.4A, 12W per port, which the charging speed is 2x faster than 1A, 5W. With 4.8A total power, this dual USB cigarette lighter adapter enables you to charge two devices simultaneously at full speed with 2.4A per USB port. Please note, it does not support Qualcomm Quick Charge. The full zinc alloy body is scratch-resistant, durable, and attractive. The high-quality material keeps your car charger adapter always looking new. This metal USB car charger will not overheat at high temperatures, which makes it safer than plastic ones. There are multiple protections against overcurrent, overcharging, and overheating to ensure the safety of your devices.